In the Cazcom project, we have three main sub-objectives. In this one is the capacity building through technical training and academic training with the supervision of students.
There were quite a number of areas that needed to be addressed in the animal health domain, specifically looking at the disease that has been affecting animals of late in Zimbabwe, which is called January disease, and the scientific name filariasis.
During the course of the year, we had infection spreading through these details that are on the southern part of the district.
We have been facing challenges in deaths of animals due to this disease. There were gaps in terms of capacity of technical personnel to detect or to diagnose disease from the field, and also there were gaps in terms of new knowledge in how to detect diseases early and respond also rapidly.
The work that we are doing on the evaluation of the surveillance system under the Cazcom project is to identify the gap in the surveillance system to be able to propose a recommendation to improve it. The second objective is to upgrade the laboratory. We did the inauguration of a biomolecular laboratory at the veterinary faculty at the University of Zimbabwe.
Cazcom contributed to the training of dozens of Zimbabwean staff involved in the control of animal and zoonotic diseases and to the establishment of the molecular biology laboratory with international standards that we had the pleasure to inaugurate today.
We are very grateful to the Cazcom people. They have helped us quite a lot. The lab was just, it has very few equipment. Now it's fully equipped and we are grateful.
When the Cazcom came, the lab was upgraded. So we now have an international standards lab.
This biomolecular platform will be a tool to improve the global surveillance system in the country. The third objective is to improve the effectiveness and the autonomy of the surveillance system in Zimbabwe.
What we do is semi-invasive sampling, which is where we capture the bats, but we don't kill them. So we use traps. So with these traps, usually we set them up at night. That's when we sample the bats. So we collect the samples that we want. So normally it's just fecal samples, hair samples, blood, and then afterwards we actually release the bats to go.
I've been able to train her in field sampling and mainly also in biosecurity, because it's really important given that we are working on potentially pathogenic viruses. It is really important to train our students to honor the biosecurity measures in order to prevent accidental transmission during our work.
It's really important to have an efficient surveillance system because a functional surveillance system should demonstrate the absence of a disease or should determine the presence or the distribution of a disease and should rapidly respond to an epizootic event.